Hey guys, we've been talking about fats, we've been talking about carbohydrates, we've been talking about insulin spike, glycemic index, several kind of things. What you have to understand that what gives you the energy for the complete day. So that's going to be definitely fats and a good amount of protein. So let's look into it. We've got some amazing recipes for you today, which is going to help you to retain the energy and at the same time get some really good nutrients from the food.
So I'm sure everybody loves cereal. So today we're going to be making our own granola here.
Yep.
That granola is going to be really healthy. It's going to be high source of fats plus high source of protein. And all of you all can eat it because it's going to be low carb. Let's see how
that sounds really attracting.
So we need 1 cup of almonds. So you could do it over a weekend, pack it and keep it for yourself. I've taken 1 cup of hazelnut. So because they are comparatively little harder, the almonds and hazelnuts, so we are going to whip them first. There we go. Next we are going to put 1 cup of pecan nuts now. So we want them a bit nutty, so we're now going to really grate them very hard. 1 cup of almonds.
Walnuts. Check this.
We're going to give it a mix and quickly whip them as well. There we go. And last but not the least, we have sunflower seeds. So that's going to be about ½ cup of sunflower seeds, ½ cup of pumpkin seeds. So that's going to be a breakfast cereal for the whole week. And we're done. Now we just need a big bowl. I'm going to transfer the whole thing in a bowl.
Alright, let's go.
Now we use another blender, a small one. Praveen is going to help me with. That's 1 whole egg white. People who are vegetarian can stick without the egg. The people who eat non-veg can go in for an egg.
Yep.
Here I have about 6 tablespoons of white butter.
Of course, because you're using a bigger portion of the food.
And Praveen is going to help me with 6 teaspoons. That means small, not tablespoon. 6 teaspoons of Splenda.
Yeah.
You could use Splenda, you could use stevia, anything, whatever you guys like.
So it's a great form of sugar substitute when you don't spike or you do not get out of ketosis. Last one.
Last
awesome.
one. There you go. Done. The egg white is whipped really nicely. We're going to transfer it in the same bowl. Yeah, and Praveen is just going to mix it up for me.
Yeah.
So you're going to evenly mix the whole thing so that it gets.
So definitely it gets you a lot of fats, which are great fats, good fats. At the same time, some good amount of protein. So ideally, I would say it could be a great for breakfast as well as for snacks.
An amazing option for breakfast.
Yeah.
Perfect. So now I have set a oven on 350 Fahrenheit. That would be 165 degrees. And I'm going to bake this for about 10 minutes. I have a tray and a parchment paper. I'm going to transfer the whole thing on the same. And the granola is ready to go into the oven. I'm just going to make a thin sheet of the same. There we go. So that's 165 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's go. And our granola is ready. Let's go. Let's see. It's nice and warm and yum. Alright, so our granola is ready. And so we have cooked this at 165 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes until it was nice and crisp. After that, we have let it cool for about roughly 30 minutes.
Yep.
And it's done now. So now we're going to just quickly airtight it and pack it and keep it for the weekend. There it goes.
So I think you can use it in the morning with some milk, either with almond milk or if not.
As a breakfast cereal with almond milk and coconut milk.
Exactly.
Or you can use it like Praveen usually uses with his protein shake.
Yep. So it gets you some good amount of protein, some good amount of fats. So it completes a complete circle of the nutrition what we look forward for in a particular meal.
If you don't have a ODG,
Yep.
you could also do the same thing on the microwave. You could even bake it in the microwave,
Correct.
or you could always even use a pan. You could do the same thing over the pan as well. But it's more crispier if you do it in an ODG.
So there are a lot of health benefits. It's pretty cool. So try it out and let us know how you.
Use your cholesterol.
Yeah. So let us know how you feel about it. Put your comments below. That we get to know exactly what kind of videos that you're looking for, and that can help you to get fit faster. So we've got about 3 to 4 videos coming every week on our channel at Bodyprocoach. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and at the same time do share the channel that people come to know about us and the kind of valuable information that we're sharing with you. Thank you so much for watching us. See you next time.
Stay tuned. See you next time.